Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to Nasik for Shree Trimbakeshwar Darshan. I am on my way to Dadar to catch my train from Dadar. Mumbai to Nasik by train is approx 4 hours. You can also travel by car or Volvo buses. Train was on time and we reached Nasik at around 5:30 p.m. Now we are going to hotel. I have booked express in Nasik for our accommodation. We reached hotel and done with our check-in procedure. Now going to our room. And in this video, I will give you a room tour of the room I'm staying in. This is Deluxe Mountain View Room. 300 square feet deluxe room has offered me a king size bed with a separate sitting area and a study table. Room is comfortable for two. This is the view from my room. Washroom is also comfortable and offer all the basic amenities along with cubic shower. After a quick rest, we freshen up and we are ready for dinner. We are going for early dinner because we did not have lunch today. Before we go to dinner, we thought to explore hotel. Now we are here for dinner. This is Astor, a 24-hour coffee shop of this hotel. We started with French fry as my son wanted to have this. In starters, we order veg platter which offers 3 types of paneer tikka, which was really nice. It was very tasty. For main course, we ordered veg kolhapuri with lachha paratha and rumali roti. Food here is very tasty. We really enjoyed it. After dinner, we just came out for a walk, and this is kids play area where my son is enjoying. Tomorrow we are going for Mandir Darshan, so we'll see you tomorrow. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and comment your feedback. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it. This is Ritesh Singh signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.